All right, what are we thinking? Hat? No hat. Hat? No hat. Well, regardless, now my hair is a mess. What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and this is your place to learn magic, master your performance, and captivate audiences. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a completely impromptu rising card trick. So, let's do it. Boom, here we go. We're going to take out this deck of playing cards and give them a quick little shuffle. And of course, if the spectator wants, they can do this as well. Once that's done, the spectator will be allowed to split the deck into 5 piles of 5 cards. All right, let's quickly go through that. All right, that should be good enough. We don't need the rest of the deck, so I'll toss that over to the side. Now, I want the spectator to go ahead, select any card they want, or any pile they want, and select any one card from that pile. Let's just say they want this one. And they can go ahead and memorize, just memorize one card from that pile. Let's just say they want this card right here. So take a look and remember this card, all right? Once that's done, they can take it and shuffle up this pile as much as they'd like. And now we're gonna select any 2 other piles. Let's say spectator selects this pile and this pile. They put it on top like this. And now their packet and their card is lost somewhere in the center here. So once again, we're gonna split it up into 5 piles of 5. And there we have it. Now the spectator is gonna go through each pile and find where their selected card is. So let's just quickly go through that. Is it here? No, okay. Well, is it here? No, okay, no worries, we'll find it. Is your card here? No, okay, well, we only have 2 piles left. Please tell me it's here. No, it's not here either. Okay, well, I mean, come on, it has to be here at this point. If it's not in this pile, I don't know what to tell you. So let's just say your card is in this pile. The spectator can now go ahead, select any 2 of the other piles, put the cards like this. And now we'll put these cards like this, all right, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. We'll take the other pile, put it on top right here. Take the other pile, put it on top right here. So check this out. I'm just gonna push these cards through like this. You'll see these cards are sticking out even more now. And now we're gonna push these cards right up there, and check this out. Check this out right here. There's one card that rises right to the top here. Just one card, and that one card is your selected Jack of Diamonds. Here we go, tutorial time. Hope you enjoyed that performance. A little bit of background on this effect. It's known as Rising Card by Tristan Glenn. I think it's a fantastic way to actually get into doing a Rising Card type of trick, and it's perfect for the absolute beginner. So that being said, let's go ahead and break it down. First things first, you will need 25 playing cards in your deck, because if you don't got 25 playing cards, this won't work. So starting off with the performance, I like to hand the deck over to the spectator, have them shuffle it up. Once they're satisfied with that shuffle, I have them go ahead and create 5 piles of 5 cards, exactly like how I showed in the performance. And the reason why I have the spectator do this is because the more interaction they have during the card trick, the stronger the impact will be at the end, all right? So I believe that's 5 piles of 5. All right, yeah, that looks good enough. So at this point, the spectator has shuffled the deck, the spectator has created these piles. You haven't touched the deck aside from giving it over to the spectator. So now the spectator can go ahead and select any pile they'd like. Let's just say this one. And they can memorize any card in this pile. So let's just say they want to memorize the Queen of Hearts. It stands out. We'll take the Queen of Hearts. So they can now go ahead, and what I like to do is have them shuffle this pile as well. This way, the card is memorized. They didn't even pick it, right? They just memorized it in their head. They didn't pick out the card, so I have no idea what it is. And they shuffle up this pile and put it back, right? So again, this gives them so much control. It's just incredible. Now they can pick any 2 of the other piles, put them together and put it on top of their pile, and then put that on top of everything. So at this point, spectator has literally done everything, and the card is lost somewhere in this packet. From here, I actually think it would be a good idea to take this back and then give it a few false cuts, just to kind of show to the spectator the card is truly lost, but again, that's completely optional. From here, create 5 piles again, and of course have the spectator do this, because more interaction, the more better, if that's even a saying. All right, from here, the spectator can go ahead, look at every pile and find out where their card is. All right, so, oh, look at that right here. The Queen of Hearts is right here, first pile we looked at. Right, so the card is in that pile. The spectator can now take 2 of the other piles, put them together. Let's just say these 2. And now the way that I like to do this rising card is take the first card, put it protruding half down. Like I put about half the card down here. Take the next card, leave it protruding half up, or maybe about 1/3 of the way up, whatever it is, whatever you think works best for you. Down here, up here, and again, this is actually, no, not this. The third card will be the spectator selected card. This here and this here. Take the 2 others and put them square with the rest of the deck. Right, so now you have 3 cards protruding out on the bottom, 2 cards protruding out on top. Did I just say on top? But then you just go ahead, push these cards forward. Okay, make sure to apply pressure downwards, otherwise, you know, they may not go forward. Apply a little bit of pressure down, push forward, you'll see these cards come up. Then you can turn the deck around. Okay, and I also like to make it face the spectator like this. Okay, so these 2 cards are down here. The back is facing the spectator. And then I like to push up. So from my angle, right, again, I'll make sure to apply pressure. From my angle, that 1 card is coming up. And the spectator is just seeing this. The spectator is seeing 1 card come up. And what I like to do for actual performances is I just like to spread through the cards like this. Show them just that 1 card is, you know, sticking out. And then they can take that 1 card, take a look at it, and it is indeed their Queen of Hearts. So again, benefits of this trick, perfect for any beginner because it's completely impromptu, there's no practice required, and there's so much interaction with the spectators in control, it's just unbelievable. And of course, we can't end this video without a quote of the week. So this one is by J.K. Rowling. She says, "It is our choices that show who we truly are, far more than our abilities." And so guys, have a great week ahead, and I'll see you really soon. Peace out.